knock the Christmas tree down.
Car.
Car?
Yeah, there's a car.
Is there a car on there?
She left it.
Yeah. What else? There's some nice stuff on there.
Hi, Daddy. You don't want to try. See, when it does black, it's light. This light. See, now you see what's white. We want to say white.
She's looking at it and watching it.
Mommy, take Mommy.
If you're trying to take it without it, you wouldn't see it. Nose.
Where's your nose? Where's your eyes?